Hi guys, let's kick things off by importing our video. I have already prepared it, so let me simply drag and drop it. And now I have this video. Let me adjust it to the frame size. I have also prepared a black screen with the fire alphabet letters. Let's start with the capital letter A. That's the black screen alphabet that I have. So our goal here is to remove this black background. So first, head to the Effect panel. And search for Luma key in the search box. Luma key. And click and drag it onto your video. Then it automatically becomes transparent. But it's a bit too transparent. When we play the clip, it's excessively see-through. To fix this, go to the Luma key settings and adjust the threshold. It controls the visibility of the darker color. Let's fine-tune it until it looks just right. That looks much better, doesn't it? You can experiment it with the cutoff, but it's generally best to leave it alone. I'm satisfied with how it looks. So, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!